Once he was thrown out from a building by the watchman because he was poor. And today he owns that same building. He is Akshay Kumar. Before listening to his wonderful journey, subscribe to our YouTube channel Shormila Show House Bollywood. Visit our Facebook page Shormila Maiti Official. Follow and like it. A small boy from Chandni Chowk, Rajiv Hari Om Bhatia, with big dreams of becoming a martial art star. Akshay Kumar was admitted to a school, Don Bosco, but he was never interested much into studying. But he was a very talented boy, and he was more inclined towards sports. After growing up a bit, he was determined to do something into sports. He asked his father after his 10th to go abroad and learn the martial arts along with karate. Akshay Kumar came from a very middle class family. His father, after working very hard and saving for his son, was able to at last send his son to Bangkok in order to make him a master in martial arts. 5 years in Bangkok, Akshay Kumar learned karate, martial arts along with Thai boxing. After completing his training, he came back to Kolkata. In Kolkata, he worked for a travel agency. After Kolkata, he went to Dhaka. In Bangladesh, Dhaka, he was a waiter at a hotel. From being a waiter, he returned back to Delhi, his hometown. He was a jewelry seller. He used to buy Kundan jewelry from Delhi and used to sell them in Mumbai. This way, he got to know Mumbai more and more. And then one fine day, he decided to become a teacher of martial arts in Mumbai. He was teaching in Mumbai and was happy with it. He was earning 5,000 to 6,000 a month. One fine day, a father of his student came up to him and asked him that with such a wonderful body and such a handsome face, why isn't he trying any luck in modeling? Akshay Kumar was bamboozled because he knew nothing about modeling or the Bollywood industry. Neither he came from a family which had any connections to this world. Believing in the student's father, he went along with him. He went to a modeling studio. He worked there for 2 hours in an air-conditioned room, got to eat good food, and at the end of the day, he received a check of 21,000. He was astonished to find that only 2 hours of work could fetch him such a huge amount. That was the day he decided to come into the glamour world and become a model. He went on to walk multiple ramps and did multiple brand advertisements. He gradually gained recognition and was offered a film by a well-known director. He was given a sum of 5,001 rupees as his first advance for a film. And now, Akshay Kumar earns in crores. Not only earns a lot of money, he also donates for the needy. He still is such a humble person and shows how he has struggled to be what he is today. He has never forgotten his roots. He has also taught hundreds of little girls the art of karate. He is an epitome of perseverance. He has taught us how a man with dedication can gain success.
टूटा फूटा बंगला सा है और पैरापेट है, तो उस पैरापेट में मैं जाके लेट गया और फोटो खींचने लगा। तब वहाँ का जो वॉचमैन है उसने मुझे भगा दिया वहाँ से। आज ये घर जो है उसी बंगले पे, ये है तब की फ़ोटो जब जय सेठ ने खींची थी और ये पैरापेट पर मैं बैठा। और ये देखिए, ये फ़ोटो है 3-4 साल पुरानी, सेम जगह।
I think, Shormila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Shormila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Shormila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
हाय, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.